It is no secret that Cardano has already attracted the attention of many big institutions and individuals alike. In this video, I'm going to share with you what has CEO of Binance confirmed about Cardano that it is going to be the new Bitcoin. So make sure to stay tuned to this video to know why Cardano is highly possible to skyrocket soon. In recent months, cryptocurrencies have received a great deal of interest. It is only because these projects can bring considerable income that large investors actively invest in crypto projects, and the Cardano project is one example. Meanwhile, Cardano's live price is $1.30 USD, and it has increased by 9.6% from its previous price. So one of the most prominent cryptocurrency companies, Binance, has already spoken highly of Cardano cryptocurrencies many times in the past. Binance, a cryptocurrency exchange, has announced that it will support Cardano's upcoming main smart contract network. Moreover, as reported by Binance, when Cardano upgrades to its Alonzo hard fork, withdrawals of ADA funds will be suspended for 30 minutes or until the network is deemed stable. By introducing the hard fork Alonzo, it has enabled smart contracts on the 7th most valuable cryptocurrency, opening up decentralized funding, decentralized exchanges, and other functions. A developer for Cardano Hong Kong, IOHK, reported that some cryptocurrency exchanges have already integrated the Alonzo network, including the Coinbase exchange in the USA and Bitcoin in Hong Kong. Moreover, IOHK marked Ledger Nano S and Ledger Nano X as Alonzo ready through the Ledger Nano certification process. Meanwhile, Cardano creator Charles Hoskinson, the CEO of Input Output Hong Kong, announced this milestone on Twitter as ADA reached its 1 millionth wallet stake, which is considered an amazing achievement. And the response has been that various users are wondering how they can also include their ADA assets in the launch. Furthermore, Pool Tool, an additional data source for Cardano ADA, shows the network had almost $31 billion put on it, meaning nearly 71% of the network's offer generated income. Additionally, a total of 2,966 pools were created for the distribution of funds. Moreover, the prices of ADA soared early in 2017 ahead of the launch of Alonzo, a so-called hard fork that adds smart contracts to the network and makes it competitive with alignments in theory of AIT and Solana smart chains. Further, Cardano's hard fork named Alonzo belongs to the Goguen network era, which was named after Joseph, an American computer scientist professor from the University of California and Oxford. In the Goguen era, Cardano becomes a decentralized blockchain and community members become validators. Also, 1 million Cardano wallets were created in May, marking a new milestone for the network. And as many as 1,000 new wallets are created every day. It was possible to reach this milestone. According to its recent development, more and more users are joining the network in preparation for the deployment of smart contracts. This is because a milestone was also reached in December for the Cardano network after processing more than 20 million transactions. Even though the community expects to launch decentralized exchanges based on Cardano sooner rather than later, these milestones are being achieved. Previously ranked third by cryptocurrency market capitalization, Cardano gives its holders that time a decent gain and the market a goal of reaching $5 by the year 2022. Since the ADA price of $5 increased by more than 150% between July and September, reaching the $5 by December target seemed quite feasible. Meanwhile, recent declines in altcoins when compared to Ethereum have been almost 60%. In addition to this, an all-time high of social volumes for Cardano was just seen before the launch of the first decentralized exchange, SundaeSwap. Further, as we have mentioned a while ago, Cardano has achieved an incredible milestone on December 6th, and it was the day after the network's prices dropped by over 10% amid greater market sales. And over 1 million wallets were posted on Cardano that day. As a matter of fact, more than 1,000% of the increase was recorded in less than a month. Comparatively, ADA appeared to be trading near the long-term lower support at $1.25, and the overall price trend was extremely bearish. In the past, notable upgrades and launches leading to high social volumes were associated with increases in Cardano prices, and this time we know that nothing seems to have changed. Moreover, amid high social expectations and a high level of positive sentiment, prices for ADA remained relatively stable at $1.30 on the second week of January, and daily losses amounted to 5.73%, while weekly losses reached reached 17.78%. Also, ADA's 3-month return on investment in U.S. dollars was less than 49.73% in the short and medium term, while altcoins' short and medium term returns were negative. Furthermore, it is said that there may be a correlation between the low positive correlation between alt and Bitcoin in recent months as one possible reason for this bearish period. Furthermore, since ADA is testing a lower support level, a rebound from the same level along with a high correlation could push the asset. Because active addresses and new addresses have reached record lows, it indicates a decrease in network activity. Nevertheless, the values are still higher than they have been for most of the years, which is a good sign. Also, retail and institutional interest in the 6th rank coin is low at the moment based on the low volumes of large transactions and low trading volumes. So here it is worth pointing out that retail volume dominates ownership statistics. Meanwhile, ADA may have faced partial difficulties due to a lack of the same since it was unavailable. That is why a push from retailers could be key to an upswing, which is why it is said that a rally can come from it. Now, what is the reason behind the movement of Cardano in the middle of the second week of December? Cardano is now seeing some green, which is good news for investors. Moreover, by 11:15 a.m. ET, Cardano was up 4.8%, reversing some of its losses from the previous week. Furthermore, investors are anticipating transaction issues on key exchanges such as Coinbase Global, which have led to Cardano experiencing a 12.1% loss in the first week of January. For a time, it appears that crypto exchange transfers had been disabled during some trading days, but the issue seems to be resolved now. As a result of the resolution of these issues, a strong price movement today in the crypto market, investor sentiment appears to be on the rise. And on the second week of January, the entire crypto market has gained 2.9% from yesterday, with beaten-up tokens like Cardano seeing outsized gains. On the other hand, there is great joy today among Cardano investors as news breaks that after a half year of the plantation, the Cardano Forest, a project run by Cardano Foundation, a nonprofit that manages the Cardano network, has officially planted more than 1 million trees in the Cardano region. Since Cardano is a proof-of-stake network, its validation protocol is already among the greenest in the crypto industry. Moreover, the Cardano network seeks to become carbon negative by planting trees, a goal that seems closer than ever to becoming a reality today. Accordingly, in the present environment, Cardano investors have several reasons to be bullish. Additionally, the overall sentiment in the cryptocurrency market has improved, and retail investors are now able to trade ADA tokens. As one of the world's greenest blockchain networks, Cardano makes remarkable progress towards that goal. What can be better? Although the crypto market has been battered recently by mainly an increasingly hawkish Fed, it remains vulnerable to severe headwinds. The environment has led to an overall de-risking of investor portfolios, with cryptocurrencies and high-growth equities declining drastically this year. Historically, the past months have been the worst for the crypto market since it began. So is it time to be bullish or bearish about cryptocurrencies now? Those are the key questions many investors are asking currently. Meanwhile, the answer is likely to depend upon each investor's time horizon, and we expect the growth we're likely to see from the crypto world will be non-linear, as with any disruptive technology. Digital currencies are expected to remain among the most volatile assets throughout history. That is why those who are risk-averse might want to steer clear of this industry. And a little more risk-averse investors may wish to hold a portion of their assets in cryptocurrencies such as Cardano. Currently, several token-specific catalysts make this network look attractive. In the long run, there is reason to believe these catalysts might prevail over shorter-term knee-jerk reactions to macro catalysts by the market. But then we'll have to wait and see. Investors have been suffering sharp declines in the crypto market for over a month now, and the current price action is a nice reprieve. But the market will likely remain volatile from here on out. So from here on out, investors should have a mindset of fastening the seatbelt and preparing for a bumpy ride. On the other hand, Cardano price predictions suggest that the currency will experience a 20% gain over time. As we know, Cardano is listed on Binance, which means that the CEO sees the potential and application of ADA. Meanwhile, on its latest news, Binance CEO is on the world's billionaire list, as Binance CEO is also listed on Binance. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Look in the comments section for what to do. Make sure you click the subscribe and bell buttons.